Hello and Ram Ram to all. My name is Arya and this is a demo video of my MAD1 project, Household Services. So let's start the project again. Here is the project running on the 5000 port local server. We can just copy this and paste it. We are on the login page. We can log in as an admin, customer, or a service professional. If we have an valid account, but if we don't have any account, we can register here. If you have the account already, you can log in back to the login, or let's create a service professional account. Finding the name professional 4, username. I have also implemented the front end also as well as the back end validation. Here the new service professional can select the service from, let's say the service professional will provide the cooking service. He can fill this experience and he has to upload a attachment document for the validation of his profile. The profile will be validated and verified by the admin, so it's like a CV. He has to upload address and pin. Here is the registration is successful, but here is the catch. The professional we have just created can't log in. Why? Because his profile has not been verified yet. Yes, you can see the error and that is coming from the backend. Your professional account is not is disabled or not activated yet. Let's go to the admin and just activate his account. Here we select the admin, login as admin. Now we are on the admin dashboard. From here you can see there are multiple professional requests that are still pending and need to be actioned. If we accept a service request, professional request from any new professional, we can either accept, reject, or delete the request. So this is the professional that I just has created for the cooking service, and the document he has uploaded for the verification is here. Let's open this. An admin can verify the document, and based on this profile document, you can take the action. Let's accept this, and either let's delete and reject the other request just so this functionality works. Let's delete the ABCD which has experience 1. I have deleted. There is a confirmation. Yes, I want to delete. Yes. So service professional has been deleted. Look, there is no service professional as ABCD which has experience 1 because that was deleted. Now let's reject this request of ABC who has the experience of 3 years. Reject this. Now you can see the ABC electric service, his request is rejected. Means he can't log in to his account, but as a professional 4, his request to professional 4, his request is accepted. Now he can log in to his account. Let's do this. PROF 4. Now login is success. Here you can edit or view the profile. Let's say I want to edit my name. Click on the edit. I want to edit my name to Arya. Here is the multiple fields you can edit and click on the update. Now the name is updated. You can view Arya, right? Okay. In the professional dashboard, there are 3 tables. First table is service request. The new service request from any of the customer will be shown here. Here is the past request, means any request that is rejected or active or closed. No, not closed. Closed requests are here. Rejected and accepted request will be shown in this second table. And in closed request, all the closed request from the by the customer that is assigned to this professional, that is professional 4, will be shown here. Let's go to the customer and send a service request to professional 4. What he provide cooking. Okay, go back to the customer. Also we can register a new customer. Let's say cust 3 cust 4. Now registration is successful. Unlike the service professional, the customers don't need to be verified from the admin. It can just log in. Customer 4. Now customer 4 has logged in. Let's okay, in this dashboard there are active service and service history. In this active service, it will there will be all the active services that are active, means that are not pending but accepted by the professional and he is working on it. In the service history, we have all the services request that are either active or rejected or closed, right? Let's search for an service. For example, we can select search for based on the service name or price. Let's search based on the name, that is cooking. Okay, on the cooking we have this base price 100 rupee. We can view, and there is one professional that we have created for cooking was Arya. Let's book him. Now service is booked. Let's go to the price and search for all the services which is provided in 200 rupees or 100. Look at 200. No, there is no service in 200 rupees. Let's search for 100 rupees. Yeah, there are 5 services which is provided in 100 rupee. You can select the service and book the professional you want. We have booked the cooking. There are multiple. So now we can see for electrical we don't have any professional, but service is created. Let's book for hairstyle professional too. Yeah, we booked 2 services. Let's go to the home. Now you can see in history we have booked for 2 services. One is cooking and second is hairstyles. Request is still pending because the service provider, service professional hasn't accepted the request. Let's go to the professionals and accept these requests, and that is professional 4 and professional 2. Let's go to professional 4. Now here's the request from customer 4. Either we can accept or reject. Let's accept, and let's log into customer 2, professional 2, and reject the request. Here is the request from customer 2. Let's reject it. Now you can see the past request, past service request, the rejected status has been updated. Okay, there is no service, there is not a service here. Go back to the customer 4. Now you can see the request the customer sent to the hairstyle professional 2 has been rejected and status has been updated. So the service, okay, so for the cooking service is active because the request that he sent to the professional 4, that is Arya, is accepted, and now the service is active. Let's say the service has been completed and the customer want to close it. Either he can edit the date, or if we want to send the request again, for example the service request professional forgot to come on the place, he can send the request again. Let's don't send the request again now and just update the date to 29th to 2 October and update. Now you can see the date has been updated to 2. Let's say the service is completed and we want to close it. Okay, we want to close it. Now you can give the review good, service rating 5. Now the service has been closed, status has been updated, and the completion date has been updated. Okay, in the search for the customer. Okay, in the summary you can have the summary of closed request, pending and active request for the customers. Let's go to the professional 4. Now you can see the request that was closed by the customer 4 is showing here. The rating given by the customer is 5, completion date is here. Okay, from here let's log into another professional, that is professional, I guess professional 1. No, there's no professional 3. User don't exist. No. Professional 2. Here if you want a summary of the professional, you can see here the total request summary is here. How much the request, total request, how many pending, how many accepted and closed or rejected. Also, if the customer gives the stars, rating stars are shown in this summary table, bar chart. Yeah, I have created this bar chart by using chart.js. Let's go back and log into professional 4. Here let's search. Professional can search based on any date. Okay, it will also professional can only search the service request that he is active or rejected or completed based on the date, pin code or rating. Let's search on the based on pin code. Let's have all the request he has completed or accepted or rejected, not completed, that accepted by 4 or 5 ratings. Yeah, that's all. You can see all the ratings by the customers as accepted. 4 customer 4 has given the rating 5. Here all the actually there are only one request. If he has many requests, for example, if he has request rating 3, 2 and multiple request having 5, it will show rating 5. All the request has rating 5 to all to you. Okay, let's go back to the admin dashboard. Here is the admin dashboard. You can see all the service requests that has been assigned to the professional and request date and its status here. You also can add a new service. Let's add a new service, that is babysitting. Base price, let's say 2000 rupee. Yeah, 2000 rupee. Now new service has been added and you can see new service with base price babysitting has been added. You can add it, delete the service from here. Let's add it and decrease the price to 200 rupee. And now the service edited babysitting 200 rupee. And you can also delete any of the services. Let's say the service we want to delete is the same service. A service is delete. Yeah, you have deleted the service. There is no service like babysitting here. Also in the admin dash, so there, that's all for the admin homepage. Let's go to the search of the admin. Admin can search based on the service request, custom all the customers, professional. If we want to search for a particular service request, he can just give the name of the service. Let's say we want to cooking, so here is the cooking. If we want to search for a particular customer, he can just give the name. If we want all the services, he can just select the service request and just click on the search button. So here is all the services that are first is for haircut, a professional one, and that status is closed and reviews assigned to it is good, rating are also good. But if any of the service get bad reviews or bad ratings, the admin can just go to that professional and let's go to the professional. Let's say if this professional 2 works really bad and professional 2, let's go to the professional prof 2. Okay, the professional, let's all the professional. Yeah, there is professional 2 who has done some fraudulent activity. He can either block his account here from here. Let's block the service professional 2. Now what will happen if he will try to log in his account? He won't be able to log in. Let's go to the professional login page. Let's log in the professional 2. Let's say what happened. Professional 2. Now you can see error coming from the backend is he can't log in because the account is restricted from the back admin. Now if he wanted to again activate the account, the status is blocked. Now he can activate again. Now he can log in again. Prof 2. So he can so account is logged in properly. So that's all for the search in the admin. Let's go to the summary. Here is the summary requests per service. I mean how many requests are request a particular service is getting, and request per professional, how many service request a professional is getting. For example, you can see the Arya getting 1 request, professional 2 getting 2 requests, and professional 1 getting 1 request. Now you can see the cooking get 1 request and hairstyle getting 2 requests. So that is for the admin. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. Okay, another thing is what is the technologies I used are for this dashboard and UI. I used Jinja, Bootstrap, HTML, CSS, and little bit of JavaScript. Also for the backend, I used Flask, SQL Alchemy ORM, and SQLite 3 for database. Yeah, for database. And this for summary, I used the Chart.js. And let's see for the database, how the database created and how the admin is generated automatically. Let's go to the code. In the instance folder, we have the database household SQLite 3. In the root folder, I have a backend folder which has all the controllers. In the static, I have all the static things like CSS styling, images for the background, and PDFs. That PDFs are those that the new service providers upload when they are registering. And here are the templates for the HTML. And it is the main Python file, main application file, and this is the database initialization file that I will show you now. Let's close this. Okay, now if I delete this, now you can see there are multiple users. Let's delete this database. Delete it. Yeah, delete. Now I have deleted and there is no database in here. So for creating the database again, I have to run this init db Python file again. So now you can see the database created automatically, and also there is no data, right? But in the users, the default admin is created. Here you can see the admin ID has 1. Okay, role 0, that is for admin, and it is generated at the time of database creation. So that's all for the admin and database. Thank you very much.